Buddy, are you ready?
Yes!
So now are we gonna unbox the Chestnut Pro?
Yes.
Oh
Let's make an intro to the guys.
Okay.
Hey guys, this is the Chessnut Pro review. We're going to be showing you the Chessnut Pro in today's video. Ready guys? 3, 2, 1.
Reveal the Chestnut Pro!
Ah!
Oh my goodness! These are great pieces, buddy!
The king.
Look at this!
Look at the king, it's so big.
Look at the knight!
The knight.
Oh my goodness!
This is crazy, guys. Wow, look at this. Oh,
My goodness!
this is a big chessboard, guys.
This is a tournament size chessboard, buddy.
Is this what Magnus Carlson uses?
It's almost the same, like a DQT. At the back, let's let them see at the back. That's it. No fancy, no other decorations.
Good chessboard.
Okay,
Let's get the pieces out
let's get the pieces out one by
and
one.
test this.
Boom, boom,
Boom,
boom.
boom, boom, boom.
Set up.
And then play an online game. Rapid.
So this is just that on.
Can I see? Can I see? Turn on. Ah, let's play online. Not box. Will we play online or box? Online?
Chestnut Pro. There. It's connected. See that light? It moves D4.
B5. There's wait, it's really gonna move here and here. I'm just gonna develop normally.
Okay. Your own game now. He plays already. Knight C3.
He's probably preparing to go here for a fried liver. So I'm gonna block it.
First right liver. Okay, continue.
A3.
That's A6.
A6. So that it prevents here from coming a fried liver, forcing me and the rook. You move back.
It's okay, you moved already.
What? Oh,
There was a delay. Like a bit of a delay.
and then
You want another chair?
no, I can view the whole board.
Okay.
So
It's your turn.
So he's probably thinking of moving here and filling in a 14 plan. But it's protected, bruh. So I don't care about this knight. This
Okay.
knight isn't protected. He's probably gonna move here, but he's not gonna sacrifice his knight. I'm just gonna develop normally.
Why are you looking at me? You're moving your own.
Just gonna... is it moving?
Yeah.
What did it...
It pushes.
Hits the knight. I can move here.
I'm not coaching. I'm just kibitzing.
I'm
You know
move.
what's kibitzing?
Yes.
I'm just watching.
Okay, Pa. Pa, what did he say?
How about you lose the game? Will you cry?
No.
No? You're
Because-
brave already.
Guys, I'm on the go to get a premium. He moved his queen. He's probably threatening here. It's protected, bruh. Move. I'm gonna castle.
Why are you telling me? You move on your own.
Fort. When we analyze this, this might be a great move. I'm gonna try here to threaten this pawn.
Oh, nice guy.
Is that a good plan?
Looks good to me.
Strong plan. Double.
Double battery?
Yes.
Where you put your rook?
Here.
Here. Then?
There. Check here.
Yes.
Take the bishop.
Okay.
Then the queen, his only square is there. And then I deliver the final blow here.
Oh my goodness, nice shot.
Check. His only square is here, surely.
Boom!
Checkmate!